What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be talking about every single product, every single tool that I use during a maintenance detail, aka a Genesis wash. And we have our helper Loki here today. What's up, Loki? Hey everyone, listen, my truck, and I'm the detailer, is absolutely filthy. And I'm talking, there are stains here. I mean, look at all this stuff. Like, I don't know if I pick it up on camera, but it is just absolutely filthy, and I cannot drive this thing anymore. It is very unpresentable. Also, the giveaway is still coming. Guys, I'm so sorry for the delay, but I'm trying to find a way to do the giveaway without having to get in trouble with YouTube. I'm trying not to get in trouble with YouTube because I know they want you to do a giveaway only on their platform, and I cannot link them to like a different website. So I can't say for you guys to go on a different website, sign up for the giveaway. It has to be going through YouTube. So I'm still trying to work that out, and I have all the stuff to give to you guys. I cannot show you that yet, but stay tuned. I promise the giveaway is coming. I'm not lying to you guys. But back to the video, like I said, I'm gonna show you guys how to wash your own car with every single tool and product I use during the maintenance details. Okay, so we got our two buckets here with our grit guards inside. These buckets are from Adam's Polishes. Also the grit guards and our wash mitt that we have here is from the Rag Company. I'll put all my products that I use in this video in the link down below. I like to always get my foam cannon ready before I start my wash or anything like that, just because it makes time go by faster and you don't have to worry about filling it up while the pressure washer is on running. So yeah, Adam's car shampoo. I like to add about 1 or 2 squirts into my foam cannon to give me some extra foam. Boom. Cap it off. Also, while we have the shampoo out, let's go fill up our buckets with some soap. For rinsing, as the sticker says, rinse, and we have our wash bucket right here. So let's put some soap in there. Also, about 1 or 2 squirts. I like to add some onto my wash mitt for added lubrication. Alright, so we got our soap and buckets ready. Grab a wheel cleaner and tire and rubber cleaner. So you're gonna grab your wheel cleaner. This is how I like to start every single detail, no matter whether it's a clay wax, this, that, paint correction. Always start with the wheels. Grab a wheel cleaner. Because my wheels are that dirty, I don't need to scrub them, so we're just gonna soak them in the wheel cleaner. Also, Adam's Polishes. Soak them. Then we're going to grab our tire and rubber cleaner. We're going to soak the tires. Use these two products on all 4 wheels, then come back and pressure wash them off. And guys, the very cool thing about Adam's Polishes wheel cleaner is, you know it's ready to be pressure washed off or scrubbed in is when it starts turning purple. As you can see right there, look at that. All that brake dust is being eaten up, and that means the wheel cleaner is activated and ready to go. And if you were to have to scrub down your wheels, I use this brush from Adam's Polishes. It is a very soft wheel brush that you can use on the faces without having to worry about scratching them. But I'm not using it on my truck. Move on to the pressure washer. So let's start up the pressure washer here. Pull the choke. Look at that, like new again, without having to put any scrubbing done to them. Alright, so I got the wheels all cleaned up and sprayed down. I'm gonna start moving on to the paint, starting from top to bottom, working my way down. Taking all the dirt off the paint as a pre-rinse, then I'm gonna foam the can of the entire car. And if you're new to the channel, welcome. My name is Nick, owner and founder of Genesis Detailing. As you can see back there, Instagram is Genesis Detailing. If you have any questions, feel free to DM me. And if you're enjoying this video, give me a nice thumbs up, press subscribe, and share it with all your friends. But I appreciate the support. Thank you guys. Back to the video. Alright, so the pre-rinse is now done. We're gonna grab our foam cannon, attach it to the pressure washer gun, and foam the entire car down to get it completely covered in suds. Then we're gonna let it sit and dwell for about 2 to 5 minutes. Alright, so the foam cannon is now done, and if you guys look closely, that foam does not stick onto my paint because my truck has been ceramic coated by me, of course, so the suds are kind of hard for it to stick. I mean, the water beads up very nicely, and the soap just has no chance against the paint. I mean, look at this. Like, the soap is just so satisfying to look at. It's insane. So I'm gonna let this sit for like 2 to 5 minutes, let it all drip off, then I'm gonna pressure wash it off. Then I'm gonna move on to my 2-bucket method wash. And so far, every product that I've used is from Adams Polishes. Between the foam cannon, to the soap, to the wheel cleaner, tire and rubber cleaner, everything has been from Adams Polishes. The only thing that I have not used so far is the wash mitt, which is from the Rag Company. All my towels and wash mitts are going to be from the Rag Company, and I have a discount code for you guys if you guys do want to order it. The discount code is Genesis10. I'll put the link down below. Also, the reason why I like to let the truck dwell in the soap for like 2 to 5 minutes is because all that soap that's dripping off is taking all that dirt that is on the paint onto the floor. Then when I pressure wash it, it's going to carry all that dirt with it, with the water, and get the truck completely, I would say, completely clean to where there's no more dirt left. So when I'm using the wash mitt, I'm not pushing any dirt against the paint. Alright, so you saw the pre-rinse, the foam cannon, then rinse again to get all the soap off and all the dirt that was carried on with the soap. Now we move on to our 2-bucket method, panel by panel, then do a final rinse. So let's get started. Alright, so everything is now complete. Now we're moving on to our air dry method. So we have a Toro rake vac. I purchased it on Amazon. It's pretty cheap, like 45 bucks or something like that. I'm going to switch over to a cordless one because being mobile, I need to be more efficient, and having to pull out the extension cord and generator every time is slowing me down. So I'm waiting for this thing to take a dump on me so I can move over to the cordless battery powered world, you know? No more extension cords, no more old school stuff. I'm going to skip this part of the recording because it's just, you guys don't need to see water being blown off. I mean, it is pretty cool because of that, how much it beads off and how it just flies off the car's paint. But I'll see you guys next scene when I'm ready. Alright, check this out. Just using the air dry method, that the car is basically completely dry. Like, there is no water, very, very minimal, if that any, water left behind, because when your car is well protected like mine is, meaning waxed, monthly, ceramic coated, whatever you had to do to protect it, sealants, it makes your life a lot easier. You don't have to use 10 different towels to dry your car with like one big giant towel. I'm gonna grab my Rag Company little 16 by 16. So we're gonna grab our Rag Company Eagle Edgeless 300 towels. These things are my favorite towels of all time. I mean, they're super soft, almost impossible to scratch your paint with. We got our Adams Polishes detail spray. And what I'm gonna do is spray surface, grab one towel. So you're gonna grab one towel, fold it into fours, and just wipe the paint. Just make sure you're spraying your detail spray beforehand to make sure you don't scratch it. Flip the towel over and wipe off whatever streaks are left. Move on to the next section. And keep going. And guys, look how soft this towel is. You can literally see my handprint after doing a couple panels. I mean, check out this shine. This is ridiculous. My truck has been paint corrected and ceramic coated, and if the sun were shining off it, there would be no swirls, and I can guarantee you that. I'll show you guys tomorrow possibly. I mean, check my Instagram. If you guys do want to see more like behind the scenes detail, like what I do on a daily basis, because like obviously I don't post every day, go to my Instagram, Genesis Detailing, and give me a follow. Ask me as many questions as you guys want. Comment on my videos, comment on my posts, whatever you guys want to do. Just that is more behind the scenes, behind the video scenes, and all that stuff. But yeah, check out this shine, and the clarity and gloss is just unbelievable. I mean, it's a mirror. Alright, so the wash is completely done. Moving on to the tires and wheels, we are going to use our detail spray once again and a microfiber towel. Using our detail spray and microfiber towel, spray the wheel down, start wiping all the extra brake dust off that didn't come off. Give it a nice final touch, a nice clean look. Move on to the next one. Alright, so once the wheels and tires are completely wiped down and dry, I want to grab our tire shine. This is one of the only products that I use for my basic detail stuff that is not made by Adams Polishes. This stuff is made by meguiars. Meguiars does sell some good products like their tire shine. What this stuff is called hyper dressing. The reason why I chose this over Adams tire shine is because it's cheaper and is more universal, meaning it can be used on trim, plastic, rubber. It's very usable in many other situations rather than like Adams tire shine where it is strictly for tires, and they also sell like their VRT product which is using for vinyl, rubber, and trim. But this stuff is dilutable, so if you want like a lower sheen, you can add some water to it, but I like it to be super glossy. So this is a 1-to-1 concentrate rather than a like 5-to-1. And with working with trucks, instead of using like an applicator pad to apply the tire shine, I use my wheel brush right here, the wheel face brush. This is a separate one only used for tire shine. And what you do is shake up your bottle, give it a couple sprays, then work it around the wheel. Add a little bit more and continue on. Alright, so here's a little before, how the tires look without any tire shine versus after. It gives it a nice, very nice look to it. It's not too shiny, but it's not too dull, so it looks like it's nice, freshly detailed. Alright, so for all the windows I use detail spray and a dry microfiber towel because using that it gives you the ability to wipe down your windows without getting any streaks, and if you are getting streaks, switch over to the Adams Polishes glass cleaner. So to go over what we did to this car again is we started with the wheels. We get the wheels and tires all cleaned up, pressure wash them, get all the heavy dirt off, then we do a pre-rinse. Pre-rinse the entire truck, getting all the heavy soil dirt. Then you foam cannon, let it sit for about 2 to 5 minutes. Do another rinse, get all the soap off, they carry the dirt with it, move on to the 2 buckets, then 2 bucket method, wash the entire truck, and then final rinse. Then after the final rinse, we did a air dry. Get all the majority of the water off, out of the cracks and crevices so it's not dripping while you're drying up the car and working twice. Then you grab your 2 towels, Rag Company towels, and detail spray, panel by panel, wipe it all down to where it looks really good, and getting all the water off and smudges that are there if you miss anything with the 2 buckets. It's a good little final touch to wipe down. Then after the paint is completely dry and nice and shiny, I mean, look at this. I'm just seeing like the reflections in the background while I'm recording, and it's just amazing every time. Then we move on to the wheels and tires. You wipe the wheels down with your detail spray and microfiber towel, grab your favorite tire shine, put it all around there until you get the truck looking nice and pristine. And the final results by the end of it look absolutely amazing. No swirls were put into the paint, no marring, anything, no blemishes have been added to the paint. And the trick to make this a lot easier on your life is to protect your paint. Use wax, use sealant, use ceramic coating. If you're in the area, you need anything done, give me a call, let me know. I can get you handled and dialed in to make your life a lot easier when you're washing your own car. But that is all I got for you guys today. If you guys did like this video, give me a nice thumbs up, press subscribe, stick around for more detailing clips. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below, and also stick around for that giveaway. I promise it is coming, like I said. I'm just trying to figure out the platform once again. But if you guys did find this video useful, thank you. I appreciate it. But thank you guys for the support. I hope this video is very useful for you guys and you kind of get an idea of how to detail your own car. And also, don't be afraid to ask questions. Leave comments down below. DM me on Instagram. Do whatever you have to do. I will answer as many questions as possible. If you have any questions, let me know. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Peace out. Loki, say peace out to the boys. Loki, say peace out to all of the subscribers. Say bye. Say goodbye. Say goodbye, champ. Good boy.